finally made it to where I like move a little bit, you know. I'm half anticipating like traffic to hit us not far from here. But still, like, I got 22 miles on Route 66 now before I basically get off and start taking some back road stuff, or what seems like back roads, more local highways probably. But yeah, this is nice. I get to move a little bit. Imagine that. Oh, hey, cop. How you doing? Hey. Looks like a little accident. Whew. Finally had gotten off of like major highway, got off 495, got off 66, and then I'm on 29 headed south. But finally had a chance to stop and go to the bathroom. I've had to go since like about Baltimore, and now I'm southwest of DC. But yeah, well, at the gas station just now, I ran into some dudes that were driving this really mint-looking late 70s, early 80s SEL Mercedes, and they're like, "Oh, where are you going?" I'm like, "Hey, VIR." They're like, "Sweet, we're working for Hyperfest." So they're actually on the road with me. There are a few cars behind us, but yeah, I'm at the point now where I think I'm going to start seeing people that are actually going to Hyperfest along the route, so instead of just generic traffic. But yeah.
Coming is Sub Focus. His new album coming out in a couple of weeks, of course. And he just dropped this as a surprise for us on Thursday. What a guy.
And out pops a new Z, naturally. Vitamin Z. Oh God, I need one. I want one. Somebody get me one. Let's build it into a Pikes Peak racer, and like, let's go to Pikes Peak. You know, let's do that. Let's be the first Z on Pikes Peak. I don't think there's anybody registered this year with the new Z. So in reality, next year we could be the first new Z on the mountain. I'm surprised nobody's really pitching that I'm aware of. But let's do that. Let's do that. It's a perfect car for that. Twin turbo. It's great for elevation. Like, we can do things. Let's do things. So remember how I said earlier today, I hope I'm not forgetting anything? Yeah, well, I've pretty much got everything except for a freaking bed. Forgot to bring the air mattress. So, luckily I'm still in Charlottesville after my delicious Thai dinner. And yeah, I'm just about to get to a Dick's to get a air mattress, because Jesus, why can't I just remember everything whenever I'm supposed to leave the house?
Head west on Merchant Walk Avenue toward Merchant Walk.
This place is freaking massive. Jesus, look at the size of this place. As I said, this place is ridiculous. This is fucking crazy. It's like climbing wall over there and shit. What the hell? This is interesting. Okay, so I'm a little confused now because this dude said backpacks. I see backpacks. He says it's going to be an end cap. Maybe over here? Where the hell are the beds in this place? Jeez, it's freaking huge. Backpacks, 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 backpacks. All these backpacks. Backpacks, more backpacks. Where the hell is the air mattresses? These are all just duffel bags. Where is this stuff? Maybe over here. But this is also maybe just sleeping bags. Here we go. Alright. Queen. Need a full. Why are they all queens? Oh, Jesus. Gonna have to figure this one out. This is, like, not enough. So the damn box didn't have a thing to tell you if you needed batteries, if you needed a separate pump with it, even though it does look like it's got the pump built in, but it doesn't say it's got a pump built in, even though the picture looks like it's got a pump built in. Coleman, you need to step up your boxing game because it's pretty terrible. You have no idea whether you need to buy batteries for this. You have no idea what batteries you need to buy for this if you need batteries. You don't know if it comes with a power cord. You don't know if it comes with a pump. Why don't you put that on your box? If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. You know, it's pouring outside. Yeah. Hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.